There you go. Huh? Oh, mommy gonna hold you because we're gonna go into the thing again. We're gonna ride. Woo! Oh, go, Michael. Woo! It's fun. Be careful. Woo! Nakalugso nga mga gikan sa bukid. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Hello. Hello. Have a good day. Let's go. Hello. Let's go to the carousel. Tagpila ka na. $3. $3 kita ng lahat yun. Machine only takes $1 bill, okay? 2 or more tickets must be made with credit card. See attendance.
Oh, atong speed ka sa ari ka speed ka. Ah, film dito upat man dito.
Upat.
Adto ta sa kuan. Attendant.
Attendance. Oh, sige. See attendant. Oh, we're gonna go over there.
Hi.
Four? Four of us.
3 years old.
3 years old, 5 years old, and adults.
So the way this works is I'm only going to charge you for 3 tokens because one adult can go in for free with the kids.
Oh. So adults can go with the kids. So total
Only 3.
3 tokens for all of us.
3 ready.
So how much?
How much is?
It's $9.
9. Okay. Kung one.
Ikay bayad, Pakmer. Salamat, Pakmer. Thank you. Financer.
Mandi ako 20.
Ay, ay, ay. Thank you, Pakmer. Naka $9 tayo.
Ikaw may drive.
Tama.
Uy, picture na. Wala pa ta sa gawas.
Sige, sige. Oh, kan na. Woo! Ride the horse! Sige, picture, picture. Michael Dian, smile. Excited na sila. Okay. Okay, kadaghan na natong picture. More to come. Huy, na, limpyo na ba yan din? Dako na kay space.
Oh.
Limpyo
So
na.
you need to use the machine to get coins. But I just give you singles because you
okay.
only take singles.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, sige, machine. Machine. Yeah.
$3 na 1 token.
Oo. One.
So we need 3 tokens.
There we go. 2. Ang tabang yun yung usaw. 3.
1 token.
Oh, get that token, anak. There you go.
We need 3 tokens, right?
3 tokens. There's more coming, Michael. You're gonna get it. 2. 3.
Man kaon na.
Di mo kaon. Lisan, ilisan. Kuha na daw. Lamya na kayo. Ulingaw mo niya eh. Okay.
1 more.
Aba, this is for Michael. Okay. 1 more. Yes.
1 more.
Daghana ni mo assistant, Michael. Pakner, daghan kay kag assistant niya.
We can ride a carousel.
Okay, good TikTok. Let's go.
Give it to the lady there. Give it to the lady so we can ride a carousel.
Doon daw ang entrance. Oh, doon ang entrance daw.
We're gonna ride it.
Ato ta entrance. This way, anak. Dion, Michael, this way.
Here's our token.
Michael and Dion, get the token. Oh, give the coins. Dion, give the coins. Oh, give it to Tita. The coins. Thank you. Thank you, Dion. Oh, go choose your... Ato the second floor.
Where do you want to sit?
Oh, you choose where to sit. Di ka matog second floor, partner. Ato tas horse. Ato ay.
Gusto ka?
Oh.
Asa dito? Ako okay na ikaw.
Bita second floor, partner.
Ikaw.
Ato tas second floor na. Okay, go upstairs. Pwede rin, oh. Ana. Ako may cameraman ninyo. Okay. Wow, going upstairs. Yay!
We'll get it, thank you.
Oh, ngano di ay?
Ang yung car.
Yung car. Okay. Okay, go up. Agoy, kabugat man.
Ako mo may cake. May gamay yung kada.
Okay.
Wait!
Wow, dolphin. Okay, and then buckle up. Buckle up. Hello! My kaladiya nandito. Wow! Oh my gosh, nakakahilo! Ooh, I'm spinning! Wow, Dion and Michael, carousel. Michael, Dion. Yeah, it is spinning. Spin. Yeah, it is spinning so fast. Whoa! Oh, careful. Hold on. And spin. Whoa! Spinning, Michael and Dion. Hi, partner. Woo! Kabihib sa mga anak. Buyag. Hello! Spin! Carousel! That's horse, anak. That's nose of the horse and the mouth of the horse. Umay! Nalipong na kapakner. Wala pa. Alipong. Mami, sit down daw. Palingkuron pa ko niya. Ano, nisakay? Partner, nisakay na akong partner. Lord, nanakay na. Okay. Picture. Wow. Wait lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Picture. Ay, pabarog ko, no? 1, 2, 3. Sana all. Ako, apil. 1, 2, 3. Lulu. Yan. Yeah. Woohoo! Woo! Mana? Oh. Yeah, we're done daw. Yeah, we're done.
Right then. Getting. I have a seal.
You got a seal. And Michael, Dion is in the dolphin, and Michael went to the horse. Yeah. Yay! Yay! We did carousel.
Michael, you enjoyed it?
Yay! We're done. Mommy?
No, she doesn't want to go now.
Yay! Let's go na. Nalipong ko pak. Nalipong tinuyok. Yun.
Mag-picture na ba? Stay na.
Sige.
Wait ka. Look, go.
Kauban ba nis bayad? Kami. Let's go picture. Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Wow, picture na. Thank Thank you. Yay! We're done with the horse. Horsey, horsey. Let's go. Yeah, and that's horse. Yeah, come here. Oh, come here, Dion. And then you're gonna close the door. Close the door. Okay, close the door. Close the door.
No.
Bye bye. Oh no need to fight to the door. Asa ta? Look, nice. Pwede na ni mo i-bright, no?
Oh,
Oh, come here na. Oh, close the door. Let's go. Thank you. Asa na ta?
sakay sila na car eh.
Oh, sige.
Ano daghang buwan dito? Ato ta na mga games.
Ato ta. Sa duwa. Manakay na punta kung hagdan. Hagdan. Thank you.
Yan.
Hagdan nagkuan, nagdagan-dagan. Go to tita, anak. Hold to tita.
Oh, tita.
Hold tita's hand. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, we're gonna go into the escalator again. Yeah, the escalator. Ew! Gunit gyud Michael kay wataga ka na. Murag dako ra kay si Dion na yang gisakyan nagblangkad na. Si Dion nalapos sa iyang mga tuhod.
Ayan na may
Retro. Ayan na Michael ay hangad-hangad pa murag korek. Sabi niya, Michael got motorbike. Wow. Ride, yes. $5 manipakner. Sige. Magpamassage ta.
Pamasad ka. Ato ka tika.
Ha, mag-atbang. Oh, tapad lagi to. Tapad. Anha sa mo kay kami po magpamassage. Ayaw lang magpanganaog ha, anha lang. Just go motorcycle. Okay, are you ready? Yeah, Dion gonna ride in here, okay? There you go. Ready? Okay, hold the bicycle. There you go.